uploaded. So
This call is now being recorded.
the call has been recorded. So at the moment, if you are to check, you can see that you on Mondays, mainly what we do on Mondays is we do that just the prospecting side of the business where we share the great opportunity with people who are new. And then, but I'm just going to touch a few things about that. And then from there, we will go into your trades to look at how your trades are doing at the moment, the positions that are there. So, but it's important for people to understand that Royal Q, it's not an investment platform. You are not taking your money to Royal Q to invest in it. It is a return on investment platform. No. Royal Q, it's an execution platform. It's a trading platform. And you can call it a robot, you can call it a bot. It's a software or an application that trades for you. It executes trades of cryptocurrencies, like buying and selling cryptocurrencies of your choice. You're able to then pay for the subscription, or rather you're required to pay for the subscription of 120 US dollars or USDT, and then that is per annum. So once the subscription has been paid, you'll then be able to connect your Royal Q to your exchange. Your exchange is where your money is or your trading capital is, and Royal Q makes use of the leading exchanges globally. We're speaking of Binance, HTX, Kraken, Indodex, Coin, Bybit, OKX. We have M Exchange also. So this is to show you that it's huge. I started with a business in the year 2021. It was on the 10th of July. So I've been renewing my subscription annually ever since then. And it's a very good business. And it will teach you how to trade the right way, so to speak. And it gives you all the control over your settings or your strategies or your parameters. Once you pay for that subscription of 120 US dollars, you will have full access to Royal Q as an execution platform. And everything that you do inside Royal Q, you are the one who's in control of it as a subscriber. The settings you put in place, the kind of strategies that you implement, parameters of Royal Q are fully open to you as a subscriber. So it's very important to mention that. As you can check on the current screen, we are on the main page, and at the top there, it shows you Patricia D, and then to the right of it, it shows you J for junior. It means once you pay for your subscription at this level, you are a junior broker. You know, and then that is the rank of the system, and then it's up to 6 ranks as you grow in the business, meaning that you are now able to continue just as a junior broker to trade. You'll be trading cryptocurrencies. I know there are coins that you're already trading in your exchange through Royal Q at the moment, but it's important to mention, like if you can see in the yellow background there, they say your next billing date is going to be on the 26th of July, 2025. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
Beautiful. So it means they're just showing you that you will have an access to trade with the Royal Q execution platform or the robot or the bot or this application for the whole year up until the 26th of the 7th month in 2025. And then the renewal can be done automatically. And then if you don't want it to be done automatically, then you click on the cancel there. And then when you click on the cancel, the system is the one that it's going to, it will not do that automatically. So at the moment, you are on the asset account there. Asset account where you saw deposit and withdrawals. You can click on asset so that I just show you exactly what is happening there. Asset account is where your guest money is paid. Royal Q as a trading platform or the execution platform or the bot or the robot, what it is it charges you 20% of the profits. And that
Okay.
20% of the profits, Royal Q pays up to 90% of it back to the affiliate program or to its brokerage system, which means when you are actually sharing this opportunity with other people, you are
Yeah.
going to be so, and then that money will be paid to this account, to this asset account. That is USDT. USDT will be paid there, and then you are able to withdraw, or you can transfer that internally to another Royal Q account. For instance, when you make a transfer, they do not charge you any fee. But when you make a withdrawal to an external platform like your Binance or your exchanges and so forth, USDT running on TRC20 network, that is Tron, so they charge you $2 for each withdrawal you make. And just like when you were making activation of your robot, you clicked on deposit and you deposited, and then they showed you your deposit address of USDT, for instance. So now that is the asset. Everything on the business side of Royal Q gets paid to this account. You can then send it to where you want it, like to your exchange, maybe by increasing your trading capital. Let's say, for instance, when you have one person that you have signed up with a business and they also activate their robot, you're going to be paid instantly, or rather in real time. You will be paid $30 from that 120. What Royal Q does is this, Patricia. Royal Q, from the 120 that we subscribe with, Royal Q only takes $40 of it, and the remaining $80, Royal Q pays that back to the community.
Okay.
What they do, they pay that back to the community. As a junior broker, it means you have activated your account with $120, and then you will be earning an amount of $30 for each person that activates with your account, or rather with your link, with your referral link. That's what will be happening. But I'm going to show you, because today is Monday, quickly, so that you have a broader view of what is happening with this business, and you understand why people throughout the world are building Royal Q with all their might and strength, because there's a lot of money in Royal Q, a lot of money, and you'll see how massive the community is for yourself. So now, let's go to one step back. I want us to go to user benefits, and you'll see something there.
Okay.
When you are at the user benefits, you can see above asset is user benefits. Please click there so that you have something also there that can help you. User benefits.
Oh yeah.
We will go to our trades. Just after finishing this, you can see at the moment you have junior broker benefits. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see.
Direct recommend reward. They say robot activation direct push. Can you see how much that is?
Yes, I see 30 USDT. Oh, yeah, 30 USDT.
Thank you. It means at your level of a junior broker, you'll be earning 30 USDT when someone activates. Okay?
Okay, that's good.
Let's hear Leader Cyril. I saw your hand was raised. You can unmute and engage, sir.
Leader KG. Screen some it's going on and off. I do not know what's wrong.
Okay. On my side, it is stable. It could be your phone. I've seen this happen actually for someone in Canada last night. So what you can do, there must be a white button at the bottom right of your, when it disappears, click that button and your system will be refreshed. There's a white button somewhere at the bottom right of rectangular features. You know, if you click on it, and then the screen will appear again.
Yeah, I see it now.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, but it keeps on going off, on and off. Like right now, it's off.
Yeah, it's I've noticed. I've had it differs from phone to phone. At the moment, on my phone, it's stable. On my phone, it's stable. On my laptop, it's stable. So it means there must be something on your device. You know. So I've
No,
seen
it's fine.
someone complain of
It's
something
fine,
like
let's
this,
continue.
or it could be. Okay, sir. It can also be network related. I don't know. You know, let's hope
Yeah.
the issue gets
Let's
resolved.
continue.
Yes, thank you, sir. And I think it could be that issue of Microsoft. It's not really resolved to the core, because I've seen this thing happen more often, sir. Thank you. I need a Cyril there. So now, at the moment, business partner Patricia,
Yes.
you can see that a direct recommend. You have recommended this to someone. You will be rewarded with $30 for that.
Okay.
And then from your team, the person you brought or the people you brought are going to be trading. As they trade, you have what we call team rewards there. Team rewards is distribution of profits, which is 20%. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
That is 20% of the company's 20%. So I highlighted that every time when the robot makes a profit for you, the robot is going to deduct 20% of the profit on the Royal Q side through gas. That money of gas is for profit sharing. So because we don't give Royal Q permission to withdraw against our exchanges, it only reads and it trades for us, which is very good. So if Royal Q makes $100 for you, Royal Q is going to deduct $20 on the Royal Q side from the asset account. And from that $20, $20, Royal Q pays up to 90% of it back to the community. The people who are running meetings, the people who are sharing the opportunity with other people and so forth. That is a reward program. You can call it a compensation plan. But now, can you see at the bottom there, Leader Patricia, what requirements are there for you? You know, what is required of you to upgrade to the next rank?
Yes, I can see.
And even before I talk about requirements, can you see in the yellow background, there's a line, there's a horizontal line from junior to middle. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
Thank you. Yes. So these requirements are going to then push you automatically or systematically to a middle broker. So what you need to do, requirements, you have to meet any one of the two requirements. Number one, you must directly invite 20 users. It means if you have 20 people who have signed up with your link and they activated their account, you're going to be automatically upgraded to the second rank, which is a middle broker. And then if you're not able to get 20 people directly linked to yourself, you can then go for the second requirement option, which is you need to directly invite 3 from yourself as a junior broker, just like you are a junior broker. Once you have 3 people who have activated like yourself, and then your team has 20 junior brokers. So it means you have directly invited 3 people who are junior brokers, and then your team is made up of 20 people. It means those 3 people, they'll also be sharing the opportunity. As they share the opportunity, then your team will end up reaching 20. Meaning your direct people and your indirect people. And then once you hit 20 people, and then 3 out of the 20, it's people who are directly linked to you. Because remember, Patricia, it's possible that one person can bring 100 people, isn't it?
Yes.
There are people who are networkers, there are people who are builders, and that's what happens. So once you have a team of 20 people and 3 are directly linked to you, then you'll automatically be ranked up to a middle broker. Now, please click at the gray area and then slide to the left. Gray area and push it to the left. Yes, keep doing it until the blue is complete. Thank you. Now, with what you can see here, you are now able to see that we are on a middle broker. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
And then what other important thing is that middle broker to an advanced broker, it's a journey. And then
Yeah.
as a middle broker, how much will you be earning for the direct recommend reward? People who are directly linked to you?
It's 40 USDT.
Congratulations for being a middle broker. You see now, they are paying you bigger money. They are paying you bigger money. And there's a lot of money in South Africa.
Yeah.
And then imagine being paid so much money and people are coming to do business with you, and then they don't risk losing their capital. Their capital is in the Binance exchange, and these are the leading exchanges in the world. Number one, Binance is number one in the world, and their money is there. They're handling their own money. All you need to do is don't be lazy, share the opportunity with them and help them get started, encourage them to attend meetings of this nature. And then that is how you make money.
Okay.
Can you see how powerful that is?
Yeah, it is powerful indeed.
It doesn't end, yes, and it doesn't end there. Look at team rewards. Look what percentage do you earn now for the team rewards? 30%. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
Yes. So which means now you will be earning, instead of the 20%, you'll be earning 30% of what the company is making. And remember, there is no limit. There is no limit to how much money people can trade with. Amongst your business partners are those who can be trading even with 1 million, 2 million rands worth of in their own exchange. All you do is share the good news of cryptocurrencies with people. Let them know that there's a way of trading cryptocurrencies the safe way, with everything in their control. So this is very exciting. And now with that, it means you now have a team of at least 20 people. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see.
Another good news that is not stipulated here is that every time the people who are linked to you, Patricia, when they invite someone, they will earn their $30, right?
Yes.
Because they are junior brokers and you're a middle broker. Anybody in your structure who activates someone, they will earn their $30, but you will be earning $10 in direct commission.
Okay. Oh, that's
$10
good.
will be coming to you as an indirect activate reward. It's an activation reward. It will be paid to you. So they are enjoying their $30. You are getting also $10 simply because you are at a level whereby for activations you earn $40. So no $40 will escape your money as far as activations are concerned. So this is incredible.
Interesting.
Indeed. So now that's what is happening there. Now you can see a requirement for you to move to the third rank. You can see that they say directly invite 450 users. Can you see now it gets more serious?
Yes, I can see it.
450 users. Alternatively, if you can reach 450 direct users yourself, you will then need to directly invite and activate 5 users. You have 5 users who are junior brokers, and not only that, you also need to have 3 who are middle brokers like yourself. When you have a team of 5 people who are directly linked to you, and then out of that team, you see, that is 5 legs or 5 structures emerging from those people. You will need to have 3 in their team, not them, not your directs as such necessarily. You can have people who are indirectly linked to you through those people that you brought on board. So long as in their structures, there are 3 people who are middle brokers. You see? On different lines, for instance. They must not be in one team. Because one person, you can bring a business partner solely on board, and solely can bring the business big time, maybe in Brongo Strait there, in Kwamhlanga, building the business, and amazing things will happen. Even in Kangala, you can get someone who is crazy about Royal Q because it's a good business, and they can have all these things themselves. They can have more than 5 middle brokers. So you will, from one structure, you will need 1 middle broker. When they are 3, and then your team it's a team of 100 users. It means you have a team of 100 people, and then inside these 100 people, you have five who are directly linked to you, of which you already have 3, remember?
Yeah.
You already have 3 when you qualified for a middle broker from junior. So it means you just add 2 more. But your team must have a capacity of 100 people. And in this team of 100 people, there must be 3 people who are middle brokers on 3 lines, on 3 different lines. Not all of them coming from one leader. Let's say leader Cyril is linked to you, and leader Cyril has 10 people who are middle brokers. Only one from leader Cyril structure will contribute for your qualification.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So when you have 3 people who are middle brokers on 3 different lines, and your team is a team of 100 people instead of 450 directs, you see? You have a team of 100 people, and then 3 are middle brokers. Remember, to be a middle broker, you needed 20 people. Remember, a team of 20 people. So which means then you have minimum 60 people plus 40. Because 3 people who are middle brokers, they will give you 60 people.
Yeah.
You know, they will be getting their own 20s.
Yes.
You know, and then additional, it will just be 40 from different angles and so forth. Now you have a team of 100 people. Inside these 100 people, there are middle brokers, and also you have 5 that are directly linked to you, meaning additional 2 from the previous qualification. Now you will qualify for an advanced broker. We want to stop on advanced broker. Just slide backwards. Let's move to advanced broker so that we go into trading now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now you can see advanced broker. Check how much you earn there for activation.
Okay.
$50. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
And profit sharing is 40%.
Yeah.
You know, of profit sharing of the company's 20%. And then we also have peer rewards there. When you have someone who's at the same level as you, 10% of what their team is making will be paid to you also.
Oh, that's good.
This is incredible. Just slide to the left, and let's look at senior broker. Look at that.
Okay. Yeah.
You can see the monies keep on increasing.
Yes, I can see it.
Yeah, slide to the left. Let's see a team partner. And then look.
Oh.
And then let's go to the last rank, which is a global partner. Slide to the left, and let's look at a global partner.
Okay.
This is the highest rank.
Yes, I can see.
You can see a person at the highest rank, they are earning $70 for direct activation. That is half of that 120. Remember, the company only takes $40. Here you are earning more than a company now. In terms of your team's performance. And then also you can see in terms of profit sharing, they pay up to 50%. I mean, this is 60%, sorry, 60% of profit sharing. And then there are peer rewards, and there's what we call global dividend. Global dividend, it's 10% of what the company is making globally. 10% of what Royal Q is making in different parts of the world, not just in your team, but global. The revenue of the company is set aside, and then it is actually proportionately enjoyed by the leaders who are at the level of a global partner.
Okay.
It's incredible, and it's mind blowing. Part of this money, some of it's paid every now and then on daily basis, and part of global dividends is paid at the first every month. It's more like you can think of it as a salary because it's money that they just pay, boom, the first of every month it goes in for the partners who are at the global partner. I remember last month there's someone from India who qualified for this.
Okay.
And then in Africa, we only have 2 people who are at this level.
Okay.
Both of them, they are in Nigeria. You know, number 1 in Africa is in Nigeria, and then in the whole world, there's only 1 lady who is a global partner, and that lady also is in Nigeria. You know, that is Dr. Mani. Yes, she's the only lady at the moment who is a global partner.
Okay.
So, which means there's room for more. A lot can be achieved. Imagine a
Yeah.
business that does not take your capital. You don't risk losing your own money because your money is in your own exchange. And not
Yes.
only that, you also gain exposure to trading cryptocurrencies the right way. You learn through the process, and then you're going to make money just like that. So now that we have spoken about this, let's now go to trades. We are done with the opportunity overview. That is use
Yes.
benefits, which is optional. It's not a must for you to promote Royal Q. You can just
Yes.
enjoy trading for yourself inside your own exchange with Royal Q through API connection. You'll just be trading like Royal Q is doing for you at the moment. Let's please go to the strategy page and look at the trades that we set yesterday during the day today. It's Bitcoin and ETH, Ether. Let's go and look at them. And welcome to the business partners who are just joining us. Leader Nabi Hendricks, welcome, sir. Yeah, now you go to strategy. Thank you, sir.
Okay. I click strategy. Okay.
Yes, this is where we need to be at.
Yeah.
These are the positions that we currently have at the moment. You can see Bitcoin is running with $69 there and 13 cents. That is the position amount. Position amount is in USDT. And then also above that, you have return rate of Bitcoin at the moment is minus 2.76%.
Okay.
And not only that, we can see that above Bitcoin is ETH. Can you push it downwards a bit so that people can see the heading of the coin?
Okay. Yeah.
ETH is Ether. That is ETH or Ether of Ethereum blockchain. You can call it Ethereum, no problem. Here, we're also able to see that it is currently trading also. And then can you please click on more?
Okay. Yeah. I click.
So thank you. So now what we see here is that 5 numbers of call margin are taken. It means as the market was going down, the robot bought up to 5 times, is it?
Okay.
Yeah, that is numbers of call margin. So at the moment, another thing that we are able to see before we even go far, this page of strategy gives you a summary of what is happening on your position.
Yes.
You can also see ETH stroke USDT. At the moment, it means Ether or Ethereum. It's currently trading at $3,311.19.
Yes.
Yes, that is the price at the market. However, we have the average price of it. The average price, you can see it at the bottom left, which is $3,342.87.
Yes, I can see.
So, yes, that is the price at which the robot bought. And when you look now, you can see average price is higher than the current price. Currently, the market is trading at $3,312. But the robot has bought averagely at a price of $3,342. So 342 is more than 314.
Yes.
So that is why now our return rate is minus 0.7% and so forth. That is what is happening at the moment on this particular position. So now I would like you please click on the ETH, click anywhere there, even on the red part, and then it will take us to transaction page. Excuse me. Now we are at a transaction page, business partners, and you are able to see some more information. And at the bottom, we will go together and look at that. You can see that 5 numbers of call margin is at the top right corner. But I would like us to just scroll downwards. We want strategy details. I want to show you that call number 6 is still coming. Just on the same page, slide upwards so that we see the bottom part. Yes. Keep going down. Yes. Can you see Yes, we have strategy details. Below strategy details, it gives you a summary of your parameters. You can see that first buy-in amount is $12. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
And then margin call limit, we have 6. This
Yes.
simply means that business partners, that the robot bought up to 6 times, or it will buy, let me say, it will buy up to 6 times. That is our limit. You know,
Okay.
but so far it bought up to 5 times. The remaining call is call number 6.
Okay.
Number 5 has gone in already, and then we are left with call number 6. But for call number 6 to go in, the robot will wait for margin call drop. What percentage is that at the bottom left?
4%.
Thank you. The robot is waiting for 4%, which we have set ourselves, business partners. And that this 4% must be on the return rate. Can you please slide downwards so that we can see the upper part? We're going to look at where the 4% must be before the robot can praise call number 6. Keep going. Keep going. Up, 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 up. Can you see the return rate is minus 0.76?
Yes, I can see it.
Yes. When that becomes minus 4%, the robot is going to place call number 6.
Okay.
Yes. So trading cryptocurrencies quantitatively, it means you are doing what we call DCA. That is dollar cost averaging. Or if you think of rand, is a rand cost averaging. So you don't just go into the market with all the money you have.
Okay.
You go according to different price levels, because when the market falls, it means depreciation of the asset. And then when there's a reduction of the value of the asset you are trading, it means the asset that you already have also loses value. And that triggers a need for a margin call, business partners. So now what is happening at the moment, it means if the market goes to minus 4%, call number 6 will be placed. However, if the market does not continue to decline, it means the market will rise.
Yes.
So if the market rises, then the robot is going to collect profit.
Okay.
It's going to collect profit, which is according to the take profit ratio. Go down again. Let's go there and look at what percentage the robot is going to take profit at.
Okay.
Take profit ratio, how much is that?
It's 2%.
Thank you so much. So it means the robot is going to take profit of 2%. However, because of we want to demonstrate how fast this is going to be, the 2% you see there is for the first call, which is, it's for the first buy-in amount, which is the $12 worth of crypto. And then it's also for the first, second, third, and the fourth call. The first buy-in amount quantity that was bought for you of Ether or Ethereum there, and then the quantity that was bought with the amount of the first call, the second call, the third call, and the fourth call. All of those, we call them whole warehouse. And those whole warehouse business partners, their take profit percentage is 2%. So call number 5 and call number 6, their profit target is set under what we call distributed and take profit allocation. And that space or that parameter is under trade setting. At the moment, the page we're at, it's called a transaction page. So what I would like us to go now is to go to trade setting. Can you please at the bottom left, click on trade setting?
Okay.
What we're going to do, business partners, we're going to make, even before we come to trade setting, please move one step back. I want us to see call number 5 individually first, each call, and then we'll get something. Move one step back, please. Just return yes, and click return button, because we're not making changes. So, yes, what we're going to look at is the price of call number 5. How much was the market when call number 5 was entered into the market. When call number 5 bought this crypto for you, what was the price in relation to where the market is at the moment? Can you please slide downwards? Push downwards, yes. Again, go down again. Yes, okay, hold it there, please. Can you see where it's written strategy information? To the right of it, we have sub bin. Can you see that? Sub bin.
Yeah.
Yes, and now on the sub bin, click there. We're going to look at the average price of call number 5 individually. Click sub bin.
Okay.
Yes, can you see that on the sub bin, call number 5 has its own average price, which is $3,308. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
And then what is the current market price now?
The current market price is at 3,314.46.
Thank you. So the current market price is higher than the average price of call number 5. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see it.
Yes. So which means your call number 5 is currently floating in profit.
Okay.
But that profit is not 1% as yet.
Yes.
Yes, it's not 1% as yet. It's a smaller percentage. But when call number 5 will take profit, the price is going to be higher than 3,312 that we see at the moment. The market needs to continue to climb, needs to continue to rise in price, higher and higher, you know?
Okay.
And
Okay.
then we're going to see the price level of the market of this ETH, where the robot is going to collect a profit for you. Click there, click on strategy information.
Okay.
Yes, and then just slide upwards a bit. We want to check a little bit at the lower part. Yes, you can hold it there. It's okay there. Now, can you see where it's written take profit trigger price?
Yes, I can see it.
What amount is that?
It's 3,374.16.
That is correct, yes. Now, it means the price of this market has to shoot up to the level of $3,374.16. And then the robot is going to collect profit for you.
Okay.
Yes. And this business partners, it is according to the take profit target that we have set for ourselves. And then I would like us to go and reduce that so that we can collect profit faster than that price level, sooner, earlier than 3,374. You know, we are looking at some market dynamics, and then I will discuss this with you. Now, for us to change, to reduce our take profit percentage, we're going to click again on trade setting at the bottom left.
Okay.
We're on the trade settings page. You can see the heading there.
Yes.
And then we are on the manually create side. And then what you will do, slide upwards so that we see the bottom part. Now, can you see where it's written distributed and take profit allocation?
Yes.
Let's click there. Now, we're going to make call number 5 and call number 6 1%, 1%.
Okay.
1% is the smallest percentage target for profit that the robot allows. You can't put less than 1%.
Okay.
So for what is going to be automated by the robot. Now you can click show at the bottom. And then you can click also save, because now we want to save the changes.
Yeah.
So now let's now look at take profit trigger price has reduced. Can you see that? It's no longer 3,070.
Yeah.
You see now it's 3,000.
Yeah. 341.08.
Thank you, business partners. So it means when the market reaches $3,341 $1.08. Call number 5 is going to take 1% of it. So
Okay.
just slide downwards so that we show people what is happening. Even maybe before you go there, just hold it where you are at now. Above
Okay.
take profit trigger price, we have call margin trigger price. Call margin trigger price is for call number 6. Call number 6 will be taken when the market has depreciated, has fallen to $3,175.
Okay.
Yes, sir. The robot is going to put more money into the asset. So now business partners understand. I reduced the percentage for call number 6 and call number
5.
5. Thank you so much. To 1% because those sub calls are going to be cycled. It's better for the robot at the lower lows to buy and sell up until the 2% can be realized on the whole warehouse, on the main return rate. So as a result, no need actually with coins like Ethereum or Bitcoin or BNB, it's better to use 1% because they really take time to move. When 1% is realized by the sub position, it's better for the robot to sell and then quickly go back into the market again up until the 2% of the main position as a whole is realized, where you can scalp or the robot is going to close itself because this is one shot, for instance. This is what I'm thinking as I'm engaging now based on the current market conditions. So now with that being said, let's move up a bit. There's something we need to look at.
Okay.
Slide downwards, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, keep sliding downwards. So now what we have seen business partners with regards to the settings that we have in place, and you also understand that call number 5 is not far actually into going into profit, but what we're interested in for now is market formation. Can you see on top there where you see the pair of ATH/USDT? To the right of it, there's a blue button there. Those are the candlesticks. Click on that button. That shows us some smaller 3 bars there. Those are Japanese candlesticks.
Okay.
Yeah, click on them. So now a chart is going to have to open business partners. By default, you can see we are on 15 minutes time frame. This is a 15 minutes time frame. It means it takes 15 minutes for either the red or the green candlestick to form. When it's green, it means it closed bullish. When it's red, it means the market closed bearish. It means when it's bullish, it means there was more money coming into the market in that interval of 15 minutes, which means the opening price, when it's green, it means the closing price is higher than the opening price. When it's red, it means the closing price is lower than the opening price. So the determining factor is the closing price. At the moment, business partners look nicely. Markets move from left to right. Everything that you see on the left-hand side from the current candlestick, it's red at the moment, but it has not closed as yet. It is possible that it can close bullish, meaning green in color. It is possible for such to happen. So now, with what I've just shared with you, if you look at the time, you can see it's 20:53. It means we are left with 7 minutes for this 15 minutes time frame to be closed, for instance. So it's possible that by 21 hours on the dot, this candlestick can be green instead of red, depending on the outcome of the market. If the bears continue to push the price downwards, it will close red. But at the moment, business partners, anything is subject to change with regards to the current candlestick. However, With the other candlesticks that we see before the current one, those ones will never change for eternity. You know, they will remain. That is history outcome, and then that cannot be changed, for instance. But the one that the market is running at the moment, the current candlestick, that may change at any time before its time lapses, for instance. That is what you can see where the blue indicator is. That is price action. That shows you price moving up and down like that. There is some movement on the 15-minute time frame. You may not see the movement easily, but the price is changing for those who can see. If you really want to see movement, you can go to 1 minute time frame. That's where you will see. Let's just quickly go to 1 minute. Perhaps people can see. Click where there's more. You see there's 1H, 4D, and then yes. Look for 1M.
Okay.
Just for people to know that inside the 15 minutes, you know, there is movement. Can you see under 15 minutes already the market is shooting up?
Yeah.
The current candlestick is green.
Yes, I can see.
Yes, but although now it's changing to red, and this movement is more noticeable because it's a smaller time frame.
Okay.
It takes 60 seconds for a minute to form. So every 60 seconds, a new candlestick gets closed and the new one is issued also. Okay. That is what is happening. So let's move away from 1 minute time frame. Let's go to 1 second, which is a time frame that you may not use for decision making, but at least to have an idea inside a minute. Let's click there, 1M. Click where there's 1M, more will be opened. Yeah. Go to 1 second, for instance. I think that's the smallest we can have. 1S, yes. Now, business partners, look at what is happening under a second. Can you see how fast the price is moving?
Yes.
Yes, because every second you can see easily that movement is there. But because of 15 minutes, a lot of seconds compressed in it, you may not see this kind of movement. So I want you to know that every day and night, the price is moving. People in different parts of the world are either buying or selling, and this activity is happening.
Okay.
This activity is happening. The price is going up, it's going down. And the beauty with our method of trading is that we are in control of our asset. You see, someone is dumping, the price is bleeding at the moment, red. You know, someone, other people are selling at the moment. That is why now the price is controlled by demand and supply. You know, now some they're buying and all these things, it's happening throughout the world. Yes, sir. And then what determines this is the amount of money that is coming in and out, you know.
Yeah.
And then if something good is happening, your robot can also be selling for you or buying for you. And all these changes are happening. So I need people to understand that this is not even the question of bad luck or fortune. No. Literally, this is a balance of realities here. Some people are buying, some are selling. So what you need to do is respect the information that Royal Q is giving you. When Royal Q says you are in a floating loss or you are in a floating profit, it means exactly that, because Royal Q does not involve emotions. Royal Q uses mathematical algorithms. It applies mathematical variables or factors to make sure that you always make profits. On the spot market, Royal Q only makes profits, business partners. So, which is very exciting. So now let's move out of the 1 minute. Let's go to a daily time frame and just look at it.
Okay.
We are just left with 2 minutes. Yes. Click there on S and then let's go to 1D. 1D, search for it. There it is on top, 1D.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, click on 1D. Yes. Thank you. So now, this is what is happening. 1D, it means 1 day. It means 24-hour interval.
Yes.
It takes 24 hours for a day to be completed, to start and to end, for instance. So now, so today, this asset is bullish. You see the current candlestick is still green. And then you
Yes.
can see that the market really went up and then it's coming down again. So, but it's still bullish. It means the current price is actually above the opening price. Market
Yeah.
currently is trading at a price that is higher than the one that it opened at. So for you to know what price the market opened at and so forth, what you're going to do is click on the candlestick itself. Just click there, a thumbnail will appear. Click on the candlestick.
The last one.
Yes. Now just click on it. You don't need to be on it directly. Just click anywhere where the candlesticks are in line with the last one, the latest one. Yeah, you just touch, something will appear. Are you able to touch on it?
I'm able, but nothing is happening yet.
Or touch anywhere on the candlestick. Inside the candlesticks, like touch anywhere. Let's see what happens. I don't know whether it's network, business partners, or anything for that matter. So nothing happens. Although, okay, press and hold. Okay.
Okay. Yes, I'm holding.
Nothing is happening. Yeah. You long press and hold, right?
Yes, I did.
Yeah. Okay. So I don't know whether it's network related. I just want to check.
Something happened.
Yeah, it's network business partners. So now with that, already it shows you information. You will see the open price. The market opened at 3,200 and something there, $3,270.16.
Yes.
The highest the market reached was $3,396.77. So those are the numbers that you can get as to how the price movement was for you, for instance. That is information that you get from there.
Okay. Yeah, I can see.
So yeah. And then if you want to check yesterday, you just click and then move one step back. Just click again and move one step back. It can be network, and then just scroll to the left.
Okay.
You are dragging. No, you just drag. You press. You don't leave and drag. Just drag.
Okay.
Slide to the left. No, don't move the whole body, but just move one step back. Slide nicely backward. Yes, you can see. But now you are on a day before yesterday.
Okay.
You see, it was on the 27th. We want the readings of the 28th, which is what's yesterday. Yes. Just one step back, one candlestick back, the green one.
Yes, I can see it.
Yeah, you can try and touch in line with that. And then we want the one before that one.
Okay.
Yes, you can easily slide. I think it's network related, but that's what it is, business partners. If you slide one step back, yes, and then you will be able to get the reading. So, yeah, but at least people have an idea of what you can do to slide and backward.
Yes,
there it is, the 28. You can see exactly what happened, but today performed better than yesterday.
Yes, I can see.
Yes, that's what is happening then. Now let's move one step back. We're going to do something quickly, and then for today, we're going to edit your strategy, and then we're going to make call number 5 and call number 6 to take 1%. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, and then let's move out. Currently, let's move out one step back. We are going to mine page.
Okay.
Click on mine page, and then go to the strategy setting. Scroll down to strategy setting. My strategy setting.
Yes.
No, click, sorry. On mine. Still on mine. And
yes.
Then, and go slide down. Meaning upward. Slide upward, yes. We want to see the lower part, yes. You see my strategy setting, where there's a bulb. My strategy settings, yes, you click there. And then now you will click on the pen. Click on the pen next to, yes. And I'll go to slide upwards, sorry, so that we see the bottom part. Distributed and take profit allocation. Go to distributed and take profit allocation. And then change those twos to 1-1.
Okay.
We've already done these business partners on ETH, Ether, and then we're going to just apply these settings on Bitcoin. Click show.
Yes.
And then save. Now this has been done, and then let's move one step back, and then we're going to strategy.
Okay.
We're going to update these settings on Bitcoin. Click on strategy, and then look for Bitcoin at the bottom. Slide upwards. Yes. Now, there you go. Click on this one. Click on Bitcoin. Oh, there you are. You are going to candlesticks. Just move one step back. We don't want the chart. One step back.
Yeah.
Click on the red area. Yes, we want transaction page. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply the settings of what we have done on Bitcoin. Click on trade setting. And then go down to slide upwards so that we see the bottom part. Click on distributed and take profit allocation.
Yeah.
You see it's still 2-2. Come out of it. Don't do it manually. We just want people to see what we are doing. Just come out one step back.
Okay.
And then go up. Slide downwards, slide downwards. We want to see the yellow part there. Click choose a strategy setting. We are going to my template. Yes. Okay. Now touch anywhere there, select anywhere where there's 12 or 6 or 2%. Now those settings have been applied. Go to the bottom part of this page. We are saving now. Now we save, and show. So now the settings have been applied, and for people to see, you can click on trade setting and then slide upwards to go to the bottom part. Look at distributed and take profit allocation. You'll see 1% are there now.
Yeah.
Oh, are you on distributed and take profit?
Yeah, I must I click on it?
Yes, click on it.
Okay.
Now you can see 1% is there. We didn't do it manually. We just applied the settings. So it means going forward, if you are trading a BNB, these settings will be applied. That's what we want to see going forward. So you can move one step out.
Okay.
And then one step out again. Say show, click show, because we want the settings to apply. And then now you can come out of this one. And you can see business partners, Bitcoin has fallen by minus 2.41%. When it reaches 4%, the robot is going to put extra money to this, which is position number 6. So as a trader, you don't need to rush. Allow the market, stick to the plan, and allow the market to do its own movement. So days are not the same in trading. There are days where movement is good, you will make nicer profits, and days where on the coins that you are trading are not so good. Stick to the plan, and then don't go and trade. Your plan here is to trade 2 coins at a time. Move with that plan. Yes, sir? 2 coins at a time. Any one of them that will come out, you can repeat it, or maybe go to BNB and so forth, up until you are confident with what is happening, and you can maybe add additional coin that will be so volatile compared to this one. If you stick to the plan, you're going to enjoy trading. You'll have confidence in what is happening. And then even when you grow the business, you will do it with understanding. So thank you so much for tonight, but we are quickly going to spend the next coming few minutes, about 6 minutes or so, for Q&A. We normally take 15 minutes for questions and answers. Thank you so much for sharing the screen. Business partner Patricia there, we appreciate it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Leda.